Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So today I have my Target boxes. I have two. I have a men's and a women's. And then I also have this trial sizes kit, Fall Beauty Essentials that I got. This is new, which is why I wanted to see how it came. And so let's get started. Might as well open this first since I'm holding it. So, and these are from Target. Did I say that? Get these out. That way the box won't make noise. Okay. So, you put that there. We got a L'Oreal Paris Less Texture, More Color. I think it's a lipstick. Let me open this without tearing it. Oh, let me show you guys. See a little lipstick there. Open this without tearing it. There we go. So it's what it says. New Rouge Signature. Yeah, I can't read. So they have 2, 4, 6, 8 colors. It's supposed to be very pigmented according to the picture. Nice little trial size right there. Wow. They don't lie. Look how pigmented that is. I barely touched it. Like, I barely touched the brush to my hand. Wow. You wipe that off because I think it's going to stain. And my hand is already staining. So fun. Next we have a Maybelline Total Temptation. I've never seen a little trial size of one of these. It's awesome. I like this mascara, so awesome. Oh, you guys want to see the brush? It's kind of spiky. So it helps for building up the eyelashes. So here, this is another mascara from NYX. And just kidding, I thought I could open it, but turns out I can't, so I'm going to tear the packaging. I don't know why it's sealed so good. Jeez, it was in a box. That's what that looks like, and that's the one on that. This one's very spiky. A little bit hard to see. It's very spiky, so you got to be careful using it. You don't poke your eye. So we got two little mascaras, and then we have this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I really like micellar waters, so. And this, even though it's small, it'll last a while. I've had one of these before, at least a couple of weeks, so they're great for traveling. Then we have a Garnier Fructis Sleek Shot In Shower Styler. Cuts sleeking time in half. Mix with shampoo, rinse and condition, blow dry to cut sleek time in half. That's interesting. I have to try that out. It's a pretty good sample size too. I don't know if you're supposed to use the whole thing. Add sleek shot to your shampoo at a 1-to-1 ratio. I'll have to try that out. Then they sent us some coupons here that you can use. Oh, and then one more thing. So it says this is a L'Oreal Colorista hair makeup for brunettes and black hair. So it's like temporary color, like she has here. Oh, just kidding. She has here, you know, you can add. So it's just a packet. You can put the red and put chunks in your hair. That'd be cute, especially now for Halloween. Like if you just want to do something cute. I like that. I'm going to try that out. And I'm a brunette, so it should be more or less like the girl in the picture. Alright, next thing we have here, I believe this is the women's box. What a cute little box, too. That is adorable. And we have your Autumn It Kit, and it always comes with a $3 coupon. And, oh, I just opened up the paper, and it smells good in there, like really good smelling shampoo, which makes sense because it came with shampoo and conditioner. Head and Shoulders Moisture Renewal Shampoo Oh, Moisture Boost and Moisture Renewal Shampoo and Conditioner. And these, they're always really good sized. Like, this is way bigger than any other, like, trial size, and I like that. I really hate when it comes with, like, one use is the word I'm looking for. And, like, you don't even get to really try it. It's like, well, I don't know if I liked it. I only used it once. Then we got the Vaseline Extremely Dry Skin Rescue Healing Moisture Lotion. I'm going to be using the heck out of that. In fact, my hands are so dry right now, so let's put a little bit on. I really like Vaseline lotion too. They're kind of greasy, and a lot of people don't like that, but that's my favorite thing about them. My skin is so dry, I need that little bit of extra, like, greasiness, because if I don't, my skin's way too dry. Next here, whoa, guess I'm just throwing stuff, hang on. Next here we have, the brand is Lumen, and it's Arctic Luminescence Intense Hydration 24-Hour Moisturizer. That's interesting. I've never seen this brand before. Let's open it up. So we have a little moisturizer there to try. I'm very interested in that. I've never seen this brand. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. I'm probably saying it wrong. We're just going to pretend. So I'm excited to try that. I really like moisture. I'm really into skincare. I really like skincare, so anytime we get it, I like it. Next we have Ardell. These are Faux Mink, luxuriously lightweight with knot-free Invisiband. So these are Ardell 811. They're Faux Mink, and they're super long. I don't even wear false lashes, but if you did, you'd probably like these because they're super long. Next, we have a number 7 Laboratories, the Correcting Booster Serum. Again, skincare, appreciate it. And number 7 is a good brand. I've used a few things from them. Also in the box, we have a Crest 3D Whitening Toothpaste. It's just a little, like, trial or travel sized. Always good. You know, who doesn't appreciate some toothpaste? Oh, and this one, we got 2 more of the Insta Color hair makeup. Looks like they're both in red, too. Oh, okay, so here's another one for brunettes, and this one's for blondes. So this one probably won't work too good on my hair, because my hair's so dark. But, cool, I gave you one of each. Even if you want to try it out and see what happens. And, box is empty. So that was the women's box. This is the new October one. Next, we have the men's. That's what that box looks like. Pretty blue. Moving and grooming. Again, we have the $3 coupon. First here we have the Dove Men Care Deodorant Wipes. Active and fresh. I guess it's like the scent. Came with 10 in here. Smells pretty good. It's a little musky for my taste, but these are handy, especially if you do any outdoor things or working out. I don't do either one, but so we also have a Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 Men Advanced Series Pure Sport Old Spice, and that's what that looks like. Again, another big bottle, which I really like. Oops. Kind of smells like Old Spice. It kind of squirted out on me because it's like, I'm sure the hot and cold doesn't help. Smells pretty good though. Next here we have a Suave Professionals Men 3-in-1 Citrus Brush Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash. And see, this one's all wrapped up. I'm sure it's so the lid doesn't come off. Just take it off so we can smell it. It smells good too. It smells very clean, like laundry soap. I like that. Men's is funny because they always like 3-in-1, 4-in-1. It's like you can brush your teeth with it and everything. It's crazy. This one is, I got Crest Pro Health Gum and Sensitivity Toothpaste. I've never used gum sensitivity from Crest. That'll be interesting. And then we got a Bandito Mask Bar. Chill a minute or 30. Cream mask. So I think it's like a charcoal because it has like clay in it. So it should get your like blackheads, clean out your pores. Interesting. And last but not least, we have the Art of Shaving. So it came with 3 little pouches. It has Prepare, and that's pre-shave oil. And then Lather Up and Shave, which is shaving cream. And then the last one here is Aftershave Balm. Oh, Moisturize Aftershave Balm. So this is really good if you don't shave, well, either one. If you shave completely or if you just like groom. I didn't know they sold the Art of Shaving at Target. That's interesting. That's new to me. I thought the Art of Shaving was at Sephora. That's really cool though. And they give you a pretty good amount. This is probably 2 or 3 days worth. Especially if you just groom and don't completely shave. But that's a pretty good amount. And then you can do your mask afterwards and really clean your skin. That's actually a really good men's box. Usually they skimp on the men's, but not this time. So that's all I got for you guys for today. This box is empty. I'm trying to open up the paper and it's not cooperating. That's all I have for you guys for today. Don't forget to like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!